Welcome to DEMOCREPUBLIX, where we cover the real news that matters to we the people. More evidence has emerged that the deadly coronavirus now sweeping across the world came from a microbiology lab in Wuhan, China. On Friday, the Chinese Ministry of Science and Technology put out a directive titled Instructions on Strengthening Biosecurity Management in Microbiology Labs that Handle Advanced Viruses like the Novel Coronavirus. It turns out that in all of China there is only one such lab, the New York Post writes. And this one is located in the Chinese city of Wuhan that just happens to be the epicenter of the epidemic. That's right. China's only level 4 microbiology lab that is equipped to handle deadly coronaviruses, called the National Biosafety Laboratory, is part of the Wuhan Institute of Virology. What's more, the People's Liberation Army's top expert in biological warfare, a Major Gen. Chen Wei, was dispatched to Wuhan at the end of January to help with the effort to contain the outbreak. According to the PLA Daily, Gen. Chen has been researching coronaviruses since the SARS outbreak of 2003, as well as Ebola and anthrax. This would not be her first trip to the Wuhan Institute of Virology either, since it is one of only 2 bioweapons research labs in all of China. But that's not all. The coronavirus has been connected back to a market in Wuhan that sells exotic meats like bat and monkey and snakes. It turns out that some lab workers who do tests on animals later cash in by selling those creatures to local markets. Instead of properly disposing of infected animals by cremation, as the law requires, they sell them on the side to make a little extra cash. Or, in some cases, a lot of extra cash. One Beijing researcher, now in jail, made $1 million selling his monkeys and rats on the live animal market, where they eventually wound up in someone's stomach. But the Post story: none of China's excuses add up. Snakes don't carry coronaviruses, and bats aren't sold at a seafood market. The evidence points to SARS-CoV-2 research being carried out at the Wuhan Institute of Virology. The virus may have been carried out of the lab by an infected worker or crossed over into humans when they unknowingly dined on a lab animal. Whatever the vector, Beijing authorities are now clearly scrambling to correct the serious problems with the way their labs handle deadly pathogens. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments down below. Like, share and subscribe. And check out DEMOCREPUBLIX.com for the latest in news. Until next time.
We live in a really nightmare. We live in a really nightmare.